Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sunkar. Friends, you all know regarding Article 21, which says it is the duty of the state to protect the life and liberty of each and every individual of the state, except as per the procedure established by law. That is simply to say that the state should protect the life of each and every person. That's why, in the case of Nagabhushan Patnaik or Ratinam, P. Ratinam versus State of AP, ultimately it became P. Ratinam versus Union of India. It was stated that Section 309 is not invalid because the state has got a right to protect the life. Prior to that, in the case of Maruti Sripada Dabal versus State of Maharashtra, there it is said that Section 309, that is attempt to commit suicide, is accepted. So that section should not be there. So that is a different issue because that section deals with whether attempt to commit suicide should be an offense or not. Basing on the English law, it is not an offense like that. But still, be sure that Section 309 is there in the Indian Penal Code. Now we are discussing the topic of suicides. A city, a town I can say, by name Kota, Kota in Rajasthan, is becoming suicide city. Just like we call Jaipur as Pink City, Kota is being termed as the suicide city. Why? As number of students who aspire for getting through the NEET examination, IIT G examination, IIT entrance examination. You know, as per the records, every year 1.75 lakhs of students, they throng to Kota for pursuing the so-called entrance coaching. There are about 400 to 500 coaching centers, 700 hostels for accommodating these boys. The funniest part is the association. There is an association for the hostels, Hostel Owners Association, whose president is Naveen Mittal. According to the data from NCRB, every year on an average 18 people are committing suicide in Kota. The number may vary according to the figures. So previously, in the year 2022, the death toll is 17. In 2014, it was about 25. So at least at that time, 2014 and at that particular period, about 45 students committed suicide. Maybe due to fear of failure of passing in the exams. So therefore, and most of them, they are committing suicide by hanging to the fans. So now what to do with the fans? A Gujarati firm which manufactured the fans, they have got a beautiful idea. So the fan will be attached with the springs. Fan with the springs. What happens? Suppose if anybody attempts to commit suicide, if the weight to be hanged is over 20 kgs, immediately the fan with the help of the spring, it will come down. But please remember, the students are so intelligent, our students are so decided to die, then he will make a thong or the rope will go to the so-called loop and they may commit suicide. Therefore, whenever the loop is connected, whenever the spring is connected, a hooter will be connected and sound will come. The sensor will operate and sound will come. So it may take 3 months, that is what they are saying. Mr. Naveen Mittal, president of the Kota Hostels Association, he says they are checking on the issue of fixing the springs to the fans. The second alternative, wall fans. Wall fans are not that dangerous. You cannot hang yourself. Either that one or because why wall hangs? Because almost all the rooms are air conditioned. So therefore, either they may go for spring fans or the wall fans mounted to the walls. They are working on fixing a sensor also, so that if the sensor operates, the hooter will sound and all the people will gather and try to rescue that boy. So this Gujarat-based fan company is working on the issue. And as usual, they are taking the biometric attendance even after dinner also. If they want to go out, they have to. And CCTV surveillance is also there. But in spite of all these things, people are committing suicide. Of course, it is a personal tendency for fear of failure in the examinations. Anyway, life is so precious. It has to be protected. We have to appreciate the efforts of the hostel owners. Otherwise, police will bring them into the so-called Section 306 for abetment to commit suicide. Very good initiative. Let us hope the incidents will not recur. If at all any boy wants to commit suicide, he will be rescued with the help of the so-called spring fans. Good idea. So it's interesting. That's why I have made this video. Thank you.